The DJI Mini series has always been about packing powerful features into a tiny drone, and now all eyes are on what could be the next big upgrade. The DJI Mini 5 Pro already impressed a lot of creators with its camera, flight performance, and lightweight design. But rumors about the DJI Mini 6 Pro are starting to generate excitement. So, in this video, let's compare the Mini 5 Pro with everything that's currently rumored for the Mini 6 Pro and see whether it's worth waiting for. Just remember that DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro yet, so everything we discuss about it is based on leaks and community speculation. Let's start with the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Even though it weighs under 250 grams, it offers features that were once only available on much larger drones. It comes with a 1-inch 50-megapixel CMOS sensor that captures detailed photos and sharp video. It also supports high frame rate 4K recording, making it great for smooth slow-motion footage. On top of that, you get omnidirectional obstacle sensing, DJI's O4 Plus transmission system for a stable connection, and improved battery life compared to previous Mini models. These upgrades made it one of the most capable compact drones for travel, content creation, and everyday flying. Now let's talk about the biggest rumor surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro. The feature getting the most attention is a next-generation stacked CMOS sensor. This isn't just about adding more megapixels. A stacked sensor can read image data much faster, which may reduce rolling shutter and improve low-light performance. If this rumor turns out to be true, it could make a noticeable difference when filming fast-moving subjects or shooting during sunrise and sunset. Another rumored upgrade is 6K video recording. While 4K is already more than enough for most creators, recording in 6K gives you extra flexibility when editing. You can crop your footage without losing as much quality, apply digital stabilization more effectively, and prepare your videos for future display standards. However, it's important to remember that DJI has not confirmed 6K recording, so this remains speculation for now. AI tracking is another area where people expect improvements. DJI continues to make its tracking technology smarter with every generation, and many leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro could recognize subjects more accurately. Whether you're following a person, a cyclist, a car, or even wildlife, the new drone could deliver smoother tracking and better framing throughout the flight. For solo creators, this could make capturing cinematic shots even easier. Obstacle avoidance may also receive an upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro already performs well with its omnidirectional sensing system, but rumors suggest the Mini 6 Pro could offer better side detection, improved performance in low-light conditions, and faster object recognition thanks to a more powerful onboard processor. None of this has been confirmed yet, but these improvements would certainly make flying safer in challenging environments. Battery life is another area where DJI could make progress. Since the Mini series needs to stay under the important 250-gram weight limit, simply adding a bigger battery isn't always possible. Instead, leaks suggest DJI may focus on smarter power management and more efficient motors to extend flight time without increasing weight. If that's true, pilots could enjoy longer flights while keeping the drone in the same lightweight category. When it comes to design, don't expect a complete makeover. Most reports suggest DJI will likely keep the familiar folding design because it's already compact, portable, and popular. Instead of changing the outside, DJI may concentrate on improving the internal hardware, including cooling, antennas, and camera technology. One question everyone keeps asking is, when will the DJI Mini 6 Pro be released? The honest answer is that nobody knows yet. DJI has not announced the drone, and every release date you see online is only a prediction. Until DJI makes an official announcement, it's best to treat all launch timelines as rumors rather than confirmed information. So, should you wait for the DJI Mini 6 Pro? If you already own the Mini 5 Pro, there's no confirmed reason to upgrade just yet because the new model hasn't even been officially revealed. The Mini 5 Pro is still an excellent drone that delivers fantastic image quality and reliable flight performance. But if the rumored stacked sensor, smarter AI tracking, improved obstacle avoidance, longer battery life, and possible 6K recording all become reality, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could easily become DJI's most advanced ultralight drone yet. What do you think? Would you buy the DJI Mini 6 Pro if these rumors come true, Or are you perfectly happy with the Mini 5 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for the latest DJI news, leaks, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.